Thank you! We just hit 20,000 subscribers, and in today's video, we wanted to express our gratitude for all of your support. And we're going to take you down memory lane and offer some of the biggest highlight video of our YouTube career, and we're going to do that right now. So 400 videos later, here we are with 20,000 subscribers, and thank you all for all the support. Absolutely. Before we start, I wanted to take a moment because we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for our father who started us in the plumbing trade back in 1987. Absolutely. That's a long time ago. Yeah, thanks, Dad. You know, he's given us a trade, a skill level. He's taught us how to be the best contractors. And through our channel, we've really been able to deliver a lot of what he taught us. So thanks again, Dad. And also, too, I'd love to take a moment to express all of the followers and all of the clients that found us through YouTube that we've actually performed work for. It's been a great honor to serve you through our channel. Yep, absolutely. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and take you down memory lane. And by far, right off the bat, is going to be our random acts of twinfulness. Those are our give backs to the community where we make a huge impact, whether it be with Dorothy, who we gave a brand new bathroom to help her son, who was an amputee. Oh, you have no idea how incredible. No. Yeah, and our latest, Etna, who had CP. That was a really touching one. Powerful.
You remember the gray?
I just remember it being a lighter color, so.
Oh, it's beautiful. I can't believe it. Look, it didn't even take many hours.
Yeah, 6.5, 7 hours.
Oh my goodness. And all we have to do tonight is put your chair in there, and that's it. She usually moves faster, but when it's a lot of people, she's distracted.
And then Vietnam, Brian, who's a Vietnam vet who really needed help with his project at home. In fact, it was really cool because we ended up sending him to DC, his dream vacation. That was awesome to be able to get his reaction and send him off to something that really made a big difference on his life. Yep. All right, moving to the category of the craziest videos, for me was removing a rat out of a $55,000 piano that was an antique.
Let's see over here, guys. Oh, there it is, right there. There it is.
Where?
Right there. Right there. Oh, hurry, 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 hurry.
I remember the customer sitting in the corner watching the whole event. It was awesome.
Like this.
Okay, this is okay.
For me, it was a client who was dealing with rat infestation in her home for 2 years, and these rats chewed their way through a toilet pipe in the ceiling, and I was able to detect it. And when I found what I saw, it was absolutely shocking and just, for me, absolutely crazy. Yeah. All right, folks, so we're in the kitchen. Remove the ceiling, you can see how much defecation there is. Look at this, folks. So we did our smoke test, and you could see the amount of smoke coming out of this area right here. And you can see that the rats were chewing right through this ABS pipe here, right directly underneath the toilet. Moving on to the category of the grossest videos we've ever done, for me, is I was on a job where you walk into this bathroom and the tub and shower walls were full of black mold. It was unbelievable. Disgusting. The tub had biofilm all over it. It took our products to really go in there and scrub, and I think we used like 2-3 gallons of our rapid mold removal agent. When a normal setting, it would probably just take half a gallon. It was crazy. Yeah, it was disgusting. This is our first neutralizer spray that we use. This goes way deep in the cell structure of the caulking. For me, the grossest was crawling in a crawl space, having to remove raw sewage, and then rats running all over me. That by far was the worst. Nasty. And to your right, you can see some rodents here crawling our way. Right there, look at that, folks. Look at that, right there. Look at him. All right, so moving on to the most videos that offered the best contribution to a DIYer was by far the air gap video, the leaking air gap. And that was simply a paper towel hack that you slid over the air gap and blew into, and it took the clog out, eliminating. I got hundreds and hundreds of thank yous, saving people a ton of money from calling a plumber. Go ahead and push firmly, and by doing so, it creates a nice airtight seal. Then you want to go ahead and insert your mouth right here and blow as hard as you can down, forcing any type of little debris from these tubes here into the garbage disposal.
Yeah, for me, I think it's when we first got our rapid mold removal agent and we displayed how fast our rapid mold removal agent removes the biofilm from the mold. I think a lot of clients, when they reached out to us, we were able to help them through that. So for me, that was a good video. As you can see here, we removed a section of pretty heavy fungi growth from a job. So let's go ahead. Here's the before. And we just simply do a wipe down. Anyhow, hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for watching.
All right, so moving on to the category of the most fun, by far, is going to be the twin challenge. And for me, was the PEX challenge that we had. That by far was so intense.
That's why.
God, that feels good. Feels good when you're right, because you gotta be able. I won the $1,000, but no, really, seriously, it was really,
That was fun.
an adrenaline. It was this real competitive factor that we had going on. Had a blast doing it.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I mean the twin challenge for sure was a lot of fun. Also the garbage disposal, the grind test that we did.
Yeah, that was
that
cool.
was awesome.
We've picked out the most popular food items that we've seen in the garage clog up those garbage disposal and those drains. Look at that. It's part of the fish. Yep. And then you look at over here. This seems a little bit softer.
To watch these garbage disposals in action, that was a lot of fun.
All right, so back to you. What we wanted to offer to 10 of our amazing subscribers, providing that you leave your comments below with your favorite videos.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing that, guys. And if you're new to the channel, welcome.
And as always, we'll see you on the next one.